Hello everybody, my name is Simon. I run a little stupid channel called The Tuman Show. I do stupid stuff like buy an i3 and modify it. It's my daily. It's not my fun car, but I proceed to do fun stuff to it. Today, I'm trying to make it a little less annoying by installing some different horns, because the OEM horns are very, very pathetic and embarrassing. So I decided to go the bro route and buy some hella SuperTones, available on eBay or wherever you buy stupid car parts. I bought them. I decided to install them. It's very easy to do. Here's a few pictures. I think I actually just took one. You just gotta open up the frunk, expose everything, and swap out the horn. A little bit of wiring to do, but that's only because the connectors aren't the same. But a couple spades, a couple wires, pretty easy. I ended up using the OEM bracket in place of the provided bracket. I felt it fit a little better, gave it a little bit of a bend to get it in the right angle, and we're done. But really the question that I answered is, will this hella SuperTone sound better than the OEM one? So, without further ado, here's a quick before and after of the two horns. All right, with that done, what'd you think? I like it. It was 30 bucks. Money well spent, I guess. In this case, i3, a little bit less funky. Not really, just a little less embarrassing. Tune in for more stupid shenanigans. See you guys later.